Hello everybody, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the AMC 8 2017 problem number 24. So the question asks about phone calls, and some person named Mrs. Sanders or Mr. Sanders, and she has 3 grandchildren, each of which call her. One of them calls her every 3 days, the other one calls her every 4 days, and the last one calls her every 5 days. So the question says that they all called her on December 31st, 2016. And the problem asks how many days did her grandchildren not call her at all during the next year. So first, we notice that 360 is the smallest number less than 365, since there are 365 days in a year, is the first number less than 365. That is both a multiple of 3, 4, and 5, which we can use to our advantage, because we notice that in the first 360 days, 2/3 of the time, the first grandchildren does not call her, and 3/4 of the time, her second grandchildren does not call her, and 4/5 of the time, her third grandchild does not call her. So multiplying these all together, we get that in the first 360 days, there are 144 days that she's not called by anyone. Now we just have to count the last few cases: 361, 362, 363, 364, and 365. And we notice that only the days that aren't multiples of 360, not multiples of 3, 4, or 5, are days that she isn't called on, I guess. And 363 is a multiple of 3, so we cross that out. 364 is a multiple of 4, so we cross that out. And 365 is obviously a multiple of 5, so we cross that out. And the only numbers that we're left with are 361 and 362, which means we have 2 more cases. So adding all our cases together, 144 plus 2 equals 146. And that is our answer. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I have other videos on AMC 8 2017 and 2018, which are fairly new, so make sure to go check those out. Thanks for watching.